These LED rope lights that you see wrapped around the tree are the latest addition to our backyard lighting. Stay tuned to see the 8 modes that can be set with remote control and also to see what they look like after dark. These LED lights are 33 feet in length. They can be used indoors or outdoors, and they're energy efficient. The highest wattage level they use is 3.6 watts. They run with an AC power cord, and the power cord is long. It's 9.8 feet in length, so that this allows you to plug them in conveniently. These come with a remote control that allows you to control them from a distance. There are so many ways you can use these lights: around a tree, on a fence, on a porch or deck. You can use your imagination. I'm going to show you now some of the different modes, and then stay tuned because I'm going to show you what they look like after dark. Right now it's just before twilight. So they can flash and fast or slow, blink, fade. And these just plug in with an AC cord. And as I mentioned, they even at the highest wattage usage, it's only 3.6 watts. So they're very energy efficient. I'll see it run through some of the different modes. Flash or steady, and then dimming. There's also a timer on the remote. Be sure to check the description section below for more information. Thanks for watching.